Dear students, welcome to the session. In this session, we will discuss the deletion operation in the B tree. So for that, we have taken this example tree, B tree. The order of the tree is m equal to what? 5. So m equal to 5 means the minimum number of keys, okay, minimum number of elements in each node m by 2 minus 1. So 5 by 2 seal operation 3 minus 1 is 2. So what? It should have at least what? Two elements in each node. Okay, each node should have what? At least what? Two elements. Maximum what? Four elements. That is a m minus 1 elements. So that is a maximum key is what? 4 that we have defined. So this is an example we have taken for and the root can have what? Minimum 1. That's all. 55 and 85. Okay, these elements values which are less than that 55, these elements values is in between the 55 and 85, these elements values are greater than the 85. Okay, instead of drawing the node with exactly four elements, that is four boxes, simply we return that elements directly 55 and 85, 55 comma what 85. So maximum number of children, maximum number of keys are 4. So we can add two more elements here. Okay. So if you want to insert, you can insert it. Okay. Similarly, every node can have at most what? For a minimum what? Two. At least what? Two elements. So that like that what we have created this B tree. Okay. So now we are going to discuss how to delete that element by element. So there are many cases in the deletion operation. We'll discuss one by one, but it is very simple. If you understand, it will be very simple. Basically, you will start from the element to be deleted is present in the leaf node. If you understand that, remaining will be easy. Okay. So only main two cases, that element to be deleted in the leaf node, or it is available in the internal nodes, including the root. Okay, internal node or what? The root. Okay, so the element to be deleted in the leaf node, what we have to do it. Okay, so will example will take. So the case 2 are the element to be deleted in the leaf, the element to be deleted is present in the internal nodes. Okay, so if it is present in the leaf node, there are three more cases. Okay, so if it is present in the leaf node itself, okay, there are two three that is some more cases are there. Okay, that we'll discuss one by one. So now we are going to what? Start deleting that element 69. Okay, so here among this we are going to delete that 69. So first I'm going to what? Delete 69. Okay, so this is a case 1. Okay, one by one we will add it. Okay, so now just you look for the 69 first. We need to what? Locate the 69. For that we need to start searching from the root 55 greater than that 55. Our element is a 69 greater than the 55 less than the 85. So in between here you come to this. So you check whether this 50 the element 69 is present here. It is not present. Then you check 65 greater than the 65 less than the 75. So in between this. So come to this. Here you check the 69 is present. So now we got that node. So this is the node. So in that node what we are having our element. So now that belongs to that case 1. That is what? Our element to be deleted is present in the leaf node. So now what we need to check is the sufficient elements are there in that leaf node, that we have to check. What is the sufficient element? It means that after deleting that 69 simply, whether it is having the minimum number of keys. Okay, after deleting the 69, that is a element to be deleted, that node is having the minimum number of keys, that we have to check. Okay, so it means that if that node contains more than the minimum number of keys, more than the minimum number of keys, then if we simply delete that element, it will not violate the B tree rule. Correct? It will not violate the B tree rule. Simply we can delete it. Okay, so in this case what is happening, that is a 69. So the minimum number of element is what? 2. So for each and every deletion I need to check that the minimum number of what keys present in that node or not. Once if you are deleting that element, so that node is satisfying that after deletion satisfying the B tree property, is having the enough what the number of elements. So after deleting the 69, 70 and 22, 72 only. So it means that after deleting the 79, it is still satisfying the B tree condition. So what? So deleting the 69 will not violate any what the rule in that B tree. Simply we can delete it because this node contains more than 2 elements, more than minimum number of elements. Simply we can delete it. If it is contains the less than what the minimum number of elements, that is less than or equal to 2 elements, in that case we need to what think differently. Okay, so in this case the simply what, if you are deleting that, it will not violate the rules. So simply we can remove that 69 from this, so that what will get only the 70 and 72 alone. So just I am going to do simple strike out from this water. The 69 is removed. Okay, so what 69 is what removed, so that what it is containing 70 and 72 alone. Okay, so the deleting the 69 is simply what completed. Okay, so we are not deleting any node. Okay, simply we are what creating the empty space on that node, so that node containing 70 and 72 alone. Still we can add 2 more elements. Okay, so the next I am going to what delete 34. So the node to be deleted next is what? 34. Okay, so 34 where it is present, less than the 55 come here, greater than the 30 go there, and here it is present. Okay, so now also what we are in the case 1, that is the element to be deleted in what? The leaf node. Okay, the element to be deleted in that leaf node. Okay, so now you check that a node containing more than that minimum number of elements, more than the minimum number of keys, is not containing the more than minimum number of keys, because it is containing exactly what? 2 elements. The minimum keys what? Red 2. So what? It is having the exactly 2. It means that after deleting the 34, okay, it will what? Go the that node goes underflow. It means that it is not having the, it will not having the minimum number of keys, so it will violate the B tree rules. Okay, so if we are deleting the 34, okay, it will have only the 38. As per the B tree condition, that node should have the minimum 2 keys. So what it violate the B tree condition, this node will violate the B tree condition. So what we have to do in this situation is, there are three cases are there. Okay, there are 3 cases are there. Okay, in this case, when a node goes underflow, when a leaf node goes underflow, what is the meaning of underflow? It goes below that what? The minimum number of elements or keys. Okay, when a node goes underflow, there are 3 cases we remember. We try to borrow one element, we'll try to borrow one element from the left sibling, or we need to try to, that is a case 1, left sibling, or try to borrow one element from the right sibling. Okay, from what? The right sibling. Okay, so if the left sibling and right sibling is not having the enough number of keys to what give, in the third case we have to try for what? Merging. Okay, we need to try for what? Merging. Okay, that is the third case. Okay, the case 1 is what? when a node, leaf node goes underflow, okay, we need to try to borrow one element from the left or right or the merge. Okay, there are three cases. Okay, so first situation is what left. Left means what? When we have to go for the right means if the left is not having the enough number of elements to what give, the left sibling is not having enough number of elements to give, in that situation we can go for the right. But here the left sibling is this node, the left sibling 24, 25, 26, it is having the more number of what? Minimum number of elements, more than minimum number of keys. So it is able to give one element to what? This underflow node. Okay, so it is able to give one element to the underflow node, so you can take it. Okay, we can easily borrow from the left sibling. So if it is not in the situation that give a element to that node, in that case I need to get the another we need to ask the right sibling. So ask left sibling for one node, one element, or ask right sibling for one element. If both is not possible, you merge it. Okay, go forward, merge. Okay, that situation we'll discuss. Now what? The left sibling is there in the situation to give. Okay, it can give it. So simply I can give one element. So how can we give one element? Means simply we cannot transfer from here to here. So these three elements are there, simply we can transfer like that, means we cannot do. So this left sibling means what? Left sibling and this node, there is a one parent, that is a 30. So what will happen is this will go to that parent. Okay, and the parent node will be to what? The underflow node. So what will happen here? The largest number 26 will be moved to the parent. So the parent root for these two nodes, the common parent is what? The 30, because 30 left is this one, 30 right is this one. So the 30 will be moved down to what? This node. So that what is happening? 30 will be here. So after what? Deleting that 34, okay, 30, 38, it will become what? 30, 38. Here 26 is moved, so 20 what? 26. Okay, so what? So after deleting that 34, it goes underflow. So we are asking the left sibling. The left sibling is having more than minimum number of keys, so it can give. So it is giving. So how it will give means it will give one element to the parent. The parent will give that one element to what? This element, this node. So that 30 will come down and 26 will get moved. Okay, only we need to check, choose. If you are choosing the left sibling means what? The greatest element alone will have to be what? Moved up. If you are asking the right sibling means the least number will be moved up. Okay, so left sibling, okay, the largest number will be moved up, and this parent will move down to this node. Okay, so after deleting this 34, the tree will become, after deleting uh, that 69, okay, it is having 70 and 72 alone. Okay, there is no change in this side. Okay, except this. But after what? Deleting the 34, here that node will become 20 and what? 26, not 30. Okay, so 20 and 26. So no change in this left side, 10, 12 and 15. Okay, and in between 20 and 26, now the 26 is moved. Okay, so that only 24 and 25. So 24 and what? 25. Now the 30 is what? Moved to the node, underflow node. So what? 30, 38. So here it is having the 30 and 38. That's all. So what? This is the tree after deleting that 69 and 34. Okay. Next I am going to delete that 77. Okay, I am going to delete the 77. So where is the node? 77 is there. in between the 55 and 85, and in between the 75 and 80. So here I got the 77. Okay, 77 means that node is a leaf node. Okay, that is a case 1. In the leaf node means there are 3 possibility. Ask the left, otherwise ask right, otherwise you merge. Okay, ask left. Left is not having the sufficient node to give, because it is having only the 2 nodes, so it cannot give that node to what, this node. So the 77 is going to be what, deleted. So just what, delete. Sorry, here leaf node we are getting, and then we need to check for whether it is having the sufficient number of elements. It means after deleting the 77, then it goes the underflow or not, like that we have to check. It is having only the 2 elements, so that what, if you delete the 77, okay, it goes the underflow. Underflow means I need to what, 3 cases. I need to ask left or right or what, merge. So ask the left. The left is not having the sufficient node to give one element. If it is giving the one element to him, means what, he will go underflow, so he cannot what, give the element. So I need to ask from the right side, that is a right sibling. So the right sibling is what, this node. The right sibling, he can ask if that sufficient element is there to give, means it can give it. Okay, sufficient means here more than the minimum number of elements. So now the right sibling is having more than minimum number of elements, so he is in the situation of giving an element, so he can get it, he can give it. So that, so one element will be what, given to this node. Which element will be given means the lowest element. The lowest element is what, 81. 81 will be what, given to him. So 81 simply we cannot what, transfer here. So 81 will be moved to the parent. The parent will be what, moved down. So what, so directly we cannot move the 81 to here, because it will violate the B tree that is a B tree property. Element should be in the ascending order. So that what, move the 81 to the parent. The parent node will get moved down. So the parent between these two node, these two sibling is what, 80. The 80 will get what, moved down. Okay, so this will become 7980, and this will become what, 82 and 83. Here it will become 65, 70 and 81. Okay, the changes is only on this area. Okay, 81 is moved and 80 is moved to here, and 77 get deleted. So what, there is no change in what, other nodes. Okay, so only the 80, whatever the 80 is there, it will be moved here. So 79 already there, and 80, it will be stored like this. So in that deleted space, it will not be stored, so it will be written as what, ascending order, 79, 79 and what, 80. And then here 81 is moved, so in this place what, 81. Okay, the 81 is moved, and here it is having 82 and 83. So this is what, the thing after deleting what, 77. So now we need to delete the next element. The next element is, I want to delete 70. Okay, I want to delete 70. 70 means where it is present, in between here, come to here, in between this, come to this, and in that is, this is what, a new element, new node. Here 70 in between this here, so what, it is the 70, and this is a node. Okay, now it is a leaf node. Leaf node, what, simply we can delete it. Okay, simply what, we can delete it. After deleting that, you check whether that node goes underflow or not. Okay, so delete means after it is having only one element. Only one element is there, means what, it goes underflow, because as per the definition, it is a BT with order 5. So minimum number of element is 2, should have the minimum 2, but it is having only 1. So now what we have to do, ask the left sibling or ask the right sibling or the merge. Okay, that is option. Okay, so now just you ask the left sibling, left sibling. Here it is having only the minimum number of what elements, 60, 62. So he cannot give one element to him. He is not having the extra element, so he cannot give. So what you ask the right, he is also what only having the 79 and 80. So he is not having the extra element, he cannot give, he is having the minimum number of element. So he is also what cannot give an element to what this node, so still he is helpless. So he cannot get an element from the left sibling, or what he cannot give get the element from the right sibling. So we need to go for the third case, merge. Merge means what? This node, underflow node, can be merged with either to the left sibling or right sibling. The left sibling is present, simply merge with this. If it is not present, simply what merge that with what right sibling. Right, that we have to what merge it. Okay, so now the left sibling is that, so that node to be what merged with what left sibling. So what merging means, simply we cannot merge these elements. So I need to what, so the third case is either this node can be merged with the left sibling or the right sibling. Okay, here we are in the process of what deleting the 70, correct? So now how to merge this with what the left sibling? Okay, so the left sibling simply we cannot merge. So we need to merge like what? These two node values along with these two node parent. These two node parent is what 65. So what we need to what merge like this. Okay. Okay. So these 60, 62, 65 and 72, like this it has to be what merged, so that the merging will happen like 60, 62 and along with its parent 65 and 72. Okay, so this will become a node, correct? This will become a node. Okay, now that 65 come down, okay, it is moved to that and moved and merged with its children. Okay, so that in that parent node it is having the only the 75 and 81, correct? 75 and 81. Now there is no change in that left right of the 75 and what right, these two there is no change. It will be what kept like this as it is, that is 79 and 80 and 82 and 83. Okay, so this is what this one and this is what this one. So it is 79 and 80 and this is what 82 and 83. Now this merged node will become the left of the 75. So it will become what left of the 75. Now this is going to be substituted here, that's all. Okay, so this is a way of what merging. So what this node will not violate the B tree rule. So maximum number of children is what m minus 1, that is a 4 elements that is having. Okay, so what this is going to be substituted here. Suppose after merging we have what moved one element from the parent to a children. Okay, this node gets altered. We need to ensure that, okay, after moving the 65, that the parent is having the minimum number of elements, because that node is losing one element. So the losing only one element, that should not violate the B tree rule. Okay, but here what 75, 81, it is having the enough number of what the elements, so it is not violating the BT rules. After even after moving what 65 to its children, so it is not violating the BT rule. So we can simply what substitute here. Okay, so after substituting this to here, no change in these two branches. Okay, so that what we can keep these two branches as it is for this tree. Now this is what 75 81, 75 and 81. So what, three branches. Okay, so that need to be what substituted here. So 75 left, 4 elements, 60, 62, 65 and 72. In between 79 and 80. Greater than 81 is 82 and 83. So what, this is substituted here. Okay, as it is. Okay. Then next we are going to what, delete 30. Okay, the next element to be deleted is the 30. After the 70 we are going to delete the 30. Okay. Here the operation 30. So the 30 where it is there means less than the 55 go left, greater than the 26 go there, and here this is the node to be sorry, the element is present in this node. This node is a leaf node. So what, now we got that leaf node. Okay, it is present in that leaf node. Okay, so now we can simply delete that. If it is in the leaf node, delete it. So after deleting, you check that node whether it goes underflow. So it goes underflow, so it is not having the minimum number of elements. So I need to try to borrow from the left or right or merge. Okay, ask left, it is not having enough number of elements to give. Okay, only it is having the minimum number of elements, so we cannot give the elements to him. Then ask right, there is no right sibling. Okay, only for it is having that left sibling, so there is no chance for asking the right sibling. So I should go for what, the merging this key, that is this element, with what, the left sibling. Okay, so the merging means I need to merge this with what, the left sibling, correct? So the merging will happen like this. Okay, so this 24 25 and 26 38. So 24 25 and the 26 and 38. So it is getting deleted. Okay, so this will become a node. Okay, and another node is what, this 10 12 and 15. 10 12 and what, 15. Okay, so now that parent node, you just listen that parent node, now it is having only the 20, correct? So it is, the 26 is moved down, so that the left of the 20 will be like this, the right of the 20 will be like this. So what is the situation now is, we have solved this issue. That is what we have, we are not able to borrow from what, the left sibling or right sibling, so far we have merged it. Because of that merging, we are losing one element in that parent. So what, we need to check that parent goes underflow or not. So now what, that since that element is given to his children, the parent goes what, underflow. So how to handle this situation, that is the parent goes underflow, that is what, this internal node. Now this is not the leaf node, it is an internal node. That internal node goes underflow. In that situation, again we need to repeat the same procedure. It is trying to what, get an element from what, the left sibling or right sibling or merging. There is no left sibling for this node, so he cannot borrow one element from the left sibling. So he will ask the right sibling. The right sibling is what? This node. This node also cannot give an element. It is having the sufficient number of what elements, so he cannot give the element to him. Okay, so what the another the third case is what? We need to what? Again go for the merging. So since what? The parent goes under flow, okay, we need to what? Ask the left sibling. It is not possible. Ask right sibling. Here also it is not possible. Here only two elements are there, so I need to go for the merging. Merging also this node cannot be merged with what? This left. So this node need to be merged with only what? The right. So the right means what? This node and this node is going to be what? Merged. That is a 20 this node, and the 75 node will get what? Merged. It means that parent is what? 55. So 20, 55, 75 and 81, it will be what? Merged like this. Okay, so what we have to do is 20 and 7, that is 55 and 75 and 81. So this will be merged like this. Okay, and since what? That parent of the 20 is giving one element, I need to check for the parent. The parent is having the sufficient number of element. Okay, so after that 55 is moved down, the parent is having only what? 85, correct? The parent is having only the 85. So whether that parent goes underflow like that, we need to check. Okay, so here that 85 right will have what? That branch. Okay, so that is that branch will be what? Continued. Okay, 85 right. So 85 left will be what? This node now, that is the merged node. Okay, so here it is having only one element, but it is a root. For the root, the minimum number of elements is only what? 1. Okay, so for other nodes only the minimum number of elements is the 2. So now what? It's still satisfying the BG property, so we can what? Continue. So now the left of the 20 will be the same, that is a 10, 12 and 15, and the right of the 20 will be this node, that is this elements, that is 24 and this one. Okay, and that right of the 55 will be, that is 75, 81 is merged na? The 75 three branches will be what? Continued as it is. So this is continued, and this is continued, and this is also what? Continued. Okay, so the elements will become now here it is 10, 12 and 15, here 24, 25 and 26 and 38, and here it will be the 60, 62. Okay, so here these four branches will be what? Continued as it is. Okay, so 20 left and 25, 20 right. Okay, and the parent, and this is what? Merged like this. Okay, so here we have merged. Because of merging we are losing one element in its parent. So what? We are merging that with what? This right sibling. Okay, so that what? We are obtaining this result. So what? The root is getting changed to only that 85. The 85 left will be what? Like this. Okay, and right will be that same, this will be continued. In that left we need to what? Link these elements, that is this node will be what? Continued as it is, the left of the 20. The right of the 20 is what? This, that is continued, and this element 75 and 81. Okay, the three nodes will be what? Continued as it is. That's all. Okay, so if you substitute this to here, okay, substitute this to here, we will obtain a new tree like. So after deleting these 30, okay, we'll get this node, that is what this is get merged, again the parent get what merged, so we are obtaining this tree. So the root is having only that 85, and the left is that merged 20, 55, 75, 81. Okay, the right is the 100, 110. Okay, and this children's will be what big like this, and then this children will be like this. Okay, so all this leaf node at the same level and it is satisfying the B tree property. Okay, the next I wanted to delete so far what we are deleting the element from only from the leaf node. So now we are going to what see the example for if the node element to be deleted is present in the internal nodes or the root. Okay, if it is present in the internal nodes or the root. For example, if you are going to delete that element, for example 75. Suppose if you are going to what delete 75, so we need to start searching the 75 from the root. So delete, so start searching from that 85 here. So less than that 85 and 75 is present. Now the 75 present that node is not a leaf node. If it is leaf node, we can what simply we can do what simply the left, right or the merge, that option can be what chosen. Okay, so but here it is not an leaf node. So if it is not an leaf node, then it will be a second case. The second case, what is a possibility? Okay, so if it is an internal node, the element is present, the element to be deleted is present in the internal node, the deletion procedure is similar to the binary search tree deletion. The binary search tree deletion, what you will do means either you will choose the left subtree or right subtree. Suppose if you are choosing the left subtree, we need to pick the rightmost element. If you are choosing the right subtree, we need to pick the leftmost element. So that element will be swapped with this element, and then what the deletion will continues. Okay, so there are two choices. Okay, either we can go with the left subtree rightmost element, that will be swapped with this element, then it will continue deleting that element with what that subtree procedure. Okay, that is the case in the BST. The similar thing we are going to follow here but with some minor modification. So this is that element to be deleted 75, correct? 75, that element to be what deleted. So here we can go with that left subtree rightmost element, right subtree leftmost element. Okay, the left subtree means what, this is the subtree, in that rightmost element is what 72. Even if it is having further what, it is having that further elements, then what we need to do is that we have to look for what, the rightmost element, rightmost node in that rightmost element, that we have to choose it. Okay, so here otherwise we can go with the right subtree, the right subtree leftmost element we have to pick. Okay, so 75 to be deleted, the rightmost left subtree rightmost element is this 72, correct? 72. So what we need to do is the 72, okay, has to be what moved to in place of what 75. So 75 will be replaced with 72. Moved, it means that it is getting deleted, so delete that 72, that element to be replaced replaces the 75. So this will get replaced by 72, that is the new element, correct? 72, so it is moved to here. Okay, So the left subtree rightmost element we have picked, that element is moved to in place of what, the element to be deleted. Okay, after deleting that element we should not stop. What we need to check do is that element we have moved from one node to that na, that node is actually a leaf node, because we are picking the left rightmost element. Rightmost element will be present at the leaf only. Okay, so we are picking one element from that leaf node. Okay, that is getting moved to this place, empty place. That node we need to check whether that node goes underflow or not. If it is not going underflow, okay, that is after moving that node to that place, okay, that node is satisfying the bt property, you can just stop it. Okay, otherwise I need to what if it goes underflow, I need to what manage it. Okay, so this, since it is a leaf node, I have to follow the same procedure which we followed for the leaf node. So it means that I need to borrow one element from the left subtree or right subtree, and then or what, merge the left subtree means left sibling or right sibling, or what, merge with the left sibling or right sibling, like that we need to follow it. But here in this situation, even after moving the 72 to this place, that node is having the sufficient number of elements, that is what, more than what, minimum number of elements. So what, no need to do anything, just we can stop. Okay, just to move this to here. Okay, so delete 75 is over, so in this place the 72 will occur. Okay, similarly we can also discuss another one, that is 110. So if you want to delete 110, okay, so delete 110. So where it is present 110 means that here it is a 110. Okay, so 110. Okay, so this is 100. Okay, and 110. So this node to be what, deleted. Now that 110 is present in the internal nodes, it is having the left subtree and right subtree. Okay, it is an internal node. Internal node means what is the procedure means, left subtree rightmost, right subtree leftmost, like that. Okay, we are following what, left subtree rightmost. So left subtree is this one, and rightmost is what, this 105, correct? Rightmost is what, 105. So what we need to do is that movement has to be done, that is the 110 105 is deleted from it, and it is going to be what replaced in place of what, 110. Okay, so the 110 is replaced with what, 105, correct? So the 110 is replaced with what, 105. So after replacing, we should not stop, we need to check that node goes underflow. So now what is happening, this node goes what, underflow. Okay, because what, after moving the 105 to this position. Okay, so now we are having only one element, 103. So I need one element either from the left or what, right, because this is a leaf node only. The leaf node goes underflow means that what is the procedure, get it from the left or right sibling or merge it. Okay, so here check the left sibling, so it is able to give one element, so that what we need to give, so one element to be moved here, and one element, that is parent element, will be moved here. That means 92 will be moved there and 100 will be moved down. So what is happening, so this will become 92 105, and this is having only the 87 and 90, and this is having the 100 and then what, 100 and 100 what, 3. So after deleting the 75 and 110, so that 85, but here what 20 55 72 and 81, so 85 20 and 55. Now in this place what, 72 and 81. Okay, and here with the same elements 10 12 and 15. So now this is having only what, 60 62 and 65, because what, the 72 is moved to this place. Okay, and here it is having the 79 and 80. it is having 82 and what 83. So now this is having the, now we have most changes is there, that is 110 is getting deleted, in that place what 105. So since the 105 is moved, this goes underflow, so that way it borrows one element from here, so that it is having 87 and 90 alone. So 87 and 90 alone, 92 is moved to here 92, and 105 in that place of what 110. Okay, and the 100 is moved down, so 100 and what 103. Now it is having 120 and 125 and 130. Okay, so this is the content after deleting what 75 and 110. So now we'll continue the deletion with more elements, that is so another case. So now we tried to delete that 81, correct? So we'll discuss one more example, that is what 81, how to delete that 81. So delete 81. Okay, delete 81 means it is presented here, it is a leaf, non-leaf node, it is an internal node. Internal node means what, I need to pick that left subtree, the left subtree rightmost element is 80. So what 81 to be deleted and 80 is picked. Okay, and this get deleted from, and this is replaced with what 80. Okay, this is replaced with what 80. So now what is happening, the 79, this node goes what underflow. Underflow means it is trying to borrow one element from here. Okay, or it will try to borrow one element from here. Okay, but here when it's trying for the left sibling, it is having the sufficient element to give. Okay, so that which element will be moved means this 65. So what 65 will get moved here. Okay, and the 72 will move down. Okay, so that here 20 55 72 and 80, and here sorry 72 in place of 72 65. Okay, 72 is moved, 72 and 79. Okay, so the content after deleting that 81, so no change in this part. Okay, so it will be repeated as it is. Okay, 85 and left. But here what is happening, 20 and 55 no change, 20 and 55 no change. But here what is happening, 60 and 62, so that this will be written as it is, that is what 10 12 and 15, and here what 24 and 25 26 and 38. Okay, but here 60 62 65 is moved. Okay, so 65 is moved here, but here it is only 60 and 62. Okay, now what the 72 is moved down, so that what 72 and the 79 alone it is there, and what that 80 is moved to this place, that is 80 and 82 and 83. Okay, so this is the content. Okay, what 80 it is moved there, so that it is unbalanced, and that is underflow, so it is borrowing one from what the left. Okay, so that it is the case. Okay, so now almost what all the cases we have discussed. Okay, the last one possibility, that is what deleting the root. Okay, the deleting the root also will be treated like what uh, the deleting the intermediate the element from the internal nodes. But only the thing is what when you try to delete that element from what root, that corresponding what minimum element condition need to be what checked, that's all. Okay, so here the next deletion, the root node 85. Okay, so I wanted to what delete 85. So delete 85, that is a root. So that element to be deleted is present in the root itself, correct? So we have to follow the same, that is what we have followed for the internal nodes. So I need to pick one element from the left subtree or right subtree. Suppose if you are going with the left subtree, rightmost element, right subtree, leftmost element. So now I'm going to go for the left subtree rightmost element means what? Here the 83. So this is the rightmost element. So the rightmost element will be presented on the leaf node only. So what we have to do is this 85 to be deleted, and then the rightmost element from what? The left subtree is what? 83. So that is getting moved from here to this place. Okay, so that what? This is replaced with that 83. So now what is happening, that node is goes what? Underflow. Okay, if that node goes underflow, that is a leaf node only. So leaf node underflow means what we have to go? No, we have to do, I need to get an element from that left sibling, otherwise ask right sibling or what? Merge. So that is the procedure. So left sibling here it is, so it is not able to what? Give an element because it is having only two elements. So I need to go for the right sibling, but here there is no right sibling for this node. Okay, there is no right sibling for this node, so both choice are over. So the third choice is what? Merge. Merge means it can be merged with the left subtree or left sibling or what? Right sibling. Here when you are considering here the left sibling, so when we are merging this, will get like this, correct? What? So this will be merged along with what? Its parent. Okay, so 72, 79 and what? 82. So while merging we need to again what? Consider this, we have deleted that 83 from here. So that what? Again we need to consider this after merging, whether the parent goes what? Underflow or not. So if the parent goes underflow, again I have to repeat the same, I need to borrow from the left or right or what? Merge, like that we have to go, correct? So in this case what? We have to merge like 72, 79 and 82, sorry 80 and what? 82. This will become a single node, correct? And thus that will be added with what? This is deleted. Okay, the parent is only what? The 20, 55 and what? 65. Okay, so this will be added as what? The right of the 65, the left of the 20 and right of the 20 and right of the 55 will be what? Continued as it is in the same thing, it will be what? Repeated. So here the merging has happening. So now this is has to be what? Substituted. I need to check the parent also whether it is getting what? Balanced and under it goes what? Under flow or not. Okay, here what? It is having the sufficient number of elements, so we can stop. So this needs to be what? Substituted. So the change is what? The root is getting changed to what? 83. The left of the root will become like this, and the leaf nodes will become what? Like this. Okay, so at the end we will obtain. So after deleting the 85, the root okay, after doing this operation, the tree is becoming like this 83, and this this will be what? Measured like this. So now next we will delete one more element 90, 90 or 92, both will be the same result. So now I'm going to what? Delete 90. Okay, 90 is directly presented in the leaf node only. Okay, so only one choice, so that can be deleted simply. If you are going to delete the 92 means what will happen, the 90 will be moved to that 92 place. So anyhow what 90 will be what moved, so again we have to do the same operation. Okay, so now directly we are going to what delete the 90. Okay, so that what it goes under flow, there is no left, and right also it cannot give because only it is having the two elements. So I need to go for the merging. The merging will happen like this. Okay, so what is happening here is 87, the merging will happen like this, that is 87, 92 and 100 and then 103. So it will be what merged together. So for that the root is losing one data, so the root is containing only what 105, correct, 105. The left is this one, the right is what these elements. Okay, so here the thing is what the parent is losing one information, correct, one data, 125 and 130. So here it goes underflow, that is this node goes underflow. When this internal node goes underflow, I need to what do the same, try to get from the left or right or merge. So the left sibling is this one. In that sibling, in the left sibling, it can give the one element because it is having the more than the sufficient element, that is as more than what minimum number of elements, so it can give one element. So I need to do borrow one element from the left sibling. So borrow means what, through the root only. So for this 2, the parent is the 83. So what is happening, the 83 will be moved here. Okay, 83 will be moved and the 65 will be what moved from here to here. Okay, when the 65 moved, along with this it is having another branch, correct, that branch is also what will get shifted. Okay, the 65 will move to here, 83 will comes in this place. The left of the 83, this branch, it will get what shifted. So that here what is happening, this node 105 alone is there now, so along with that 105 the 83 will be added. Okay, so in that with that 83, okay, with that 83 there is no change in this link. Okay, these two link. So 83 left should be one node we need now, that is nothing but what we have moved that 65. The 65 right will becoming the left of the 83, correct. So this along with that the 83 will get moved to this one. Okay, it will be added here. Okay, so this will become like this. Okay, and then the 83 left, that is nothing but what this node, so this will get moved, so this link will get what moved to this side. Okay, so that what 72, 79 and 80 and 82, so that this 65 will get moved, so this will be replaced with what 65. Okay, so that modified structure is, the modified structure is 65. Okay, 65, and then here the 65 is what get moved. Okay, and 20 and 55 alone will be that 20 and 55. Okay, here there is no change in these three nodes. Okay, 10, 12 and 15, 24 and 25 and 26 and 38, and here 60 and 62. Okay, so here what is happening, 83 is moved, so that what 83 105, so 83 105. Okay, and 105 left and right will be what 87, 92 and 100 and 103 and 120, 125 and 130. And here whatever there in the right of the 65 will becoming the left of the 83. Okay, so left of what 83. So here it is coming like a 72, 79 and 80 and 82, like that it is having. Okay, so this is what after deleting the 90, this is the result. So now we'll continue three more elements. Okay, 26, 38 and what 60. Okay, 28, sorry, 26, 38 and 60. Okay, three elements we are going to what delete on the what. Okay, so delete 26. Okay, so delete 26 means here it is there in the leaf node is having more than minimum number of elements, so that what simply it can be what deleted. Then delete 38. Here also what is happening, it is having more than what three elements are having 24, 35 and 38. So simply we can delete this. So this is also what get deleted without doing any modification on the structure. So 38 is also over. So now I wanted to delete 60. Okay, delete 60. Delete 60 means I need to borrow from the left or right and merge, but what the left is not having the enough element, two elements alone is there, and the right also what no sibling. Okay, so there's no sibling, so we cannot borrow. So I need to go for the merge. Merge means what this is going to be what merged. So it means that 24, 25 and 55, the 60 is getting deleted, correct? So only the 62. So this is that element, and that root is losing one element, so the root is having only the 20, correct? The 20, the 20 right is this one, and left is as usual, that is 10, 12, 15, 10, 12 and what 15. Okay, it is there. So now it means that here we are losing one element, correct? We are losing one element. So the 20, I need to what it is an intermediate element actually. One element is missing, it goes underflow, so try to get from the left, no left. Right sibling is having only what two elements, that is 83 and 905. So I cannot borrow from the left sibling or what a right sibling, so I need to go for the merging. Merging means it will be merged like this, that is 2 its a parent, the parent is what 65, so it will be what merged like this. Okay, so it means that the 65 comes down. Okay, so that the 20, 65, 83 and 105, it will be become lower like this. So since the 65 is merged to its children, that root is losing on information, correct? So the root is not having that enough information, so what that root is getting what deleted. Now that merged node okay will becoming what the root node, that's all. Okay, that means we are reducing one level, correct? So after merging this, okay, we'll have time. So after merging this, that is 20, 65, 83 and 105, that is becoming a root because this is getting deleted. So the root is having now 4 elements. Okay, one is that 20 and 65 and 83 and 105. Okay, and 83 105, these three will be continued. Okay, and what, the 20 left and right. Okay, the 20 left and right will be what continued, that's all. Okay, these two elements, three will be continued, the 20 left and right will be what continued. Okay, so the final tree will become left, 20 left and right. Okay, 10, 12 and 15, 24 and 25 and 55 and 62. Okay, and here these three, okay, will be continued. Okay, 72. So this is the final tree after what, deleting these elements. Okay, after deleting this list of elements, okay, this is the final tree. Okay, so you can continue this operation for a more number of elements. You can delete a more number of what. So I have covered all the different cases. Okay, so now you can write that algorithm yourself. Okay, so the element to be presented in the leaf node, case 1. If it is there in the intermediate node or root, that is a case 2. In the case 1, there are 4 sub cases. If it is having more than minimum number of elements, if it is having less than that, what the minimum number of elements, after deleting it, it goes underflow. There are 3 cases. Similarly, for what, internal nodes and root node, one more step we have to do. Internal node or root node means, from the left subtree I need to choose the rightmost element that need to be what, moved to that place of what, deleted element. Okay, then that node, that is from which leaf you have moved one element, that leaf need to be what checked for what, an underflow or not. Okay, if it goes underflow, then we have to what, borrow from the left or right or merge. So like that you can write that algorithm yourself for what, the deletion. Okay, so completely you watch this video once again. Okay, try to what, pick all the different cases and write that algorithm yourself. Okay, so in that I will give a some assignment practice problem for practicing the deletion operation in the B tree. Okay, so in the insertion and deletion is enough in case of what, the B tree. In addition to that, display in order traversal. Okay, try to what, display the content in the in order traversal. For that you write the algorithm yourself. Okay, so exam point of view, what you prepare this insertion operation and deletion operation, that corresponding what, algorithms. So algorithms you need to write like a procedure. Okay, if you have a doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you.